What drives individuals to stand up for what they believe in, even in the face of adversity? Is it a sense of duty, a call to justice, or perhaps an unyielding passion for change? Throughout history, we have seen countless examples of people who have risen against the odds, fueled by a deep-seated belief in their cause. What gives them the courage to challenge the status quo and fight for what is right? The answer is conviction. Conviction is the unwavering belief that one's actions can make a difference, that standing up for what is right is not just a choice, but a necessity. It is this conviction that empowers ordinary individuals to achieve extraordinary feats, to inspire others, and to create lasting change in the world. Conviction is a strong and unshakable belief in something. It's a deep-seated commitment to a cause, principle, or value that guides our actions and decisions. Conviction has the power to inspire others, to ignite a spark within individuals and communities alike. It can transform ordinary people into extraordinary leaders, to bring about positive change, to challenge the status quo, and to push boundaries that once seemed insurmountable. It unites people from all walks of life, fostering a sense of solidarity and shared purpose. Together, they work tirelessly to create a more just and equitable society. It's the driving force behind social movements, revolutions, and innovations. Conviction fuels progress, turning dreams into reality and paving the way for a brighter future. So how can we develop conviction? It starts with identifying our values and principles. We must educate ourselves, take action, and surround ourselves with like-minded individuals. Conviction is a powerful force that can drive positive change in the world. It is the unwavering belief in a cause, principle, or value that fuels our actions and decisions. When we are deeply committed, we can overcome any obstacle and inspire others to join us in our mission. By developing unwavering commitment to a cause, principle, or value, we can inspire others to take action. This dedication can be seen in the tireless efforts of activists, the guidance of mentors, and the collaborative spirit of communities working together. With conviction, we persevere in the face of adversity, pushing through challenges and setbacks. Whether it's an athlete training for a competition, a person climbing a mountain, or an individual overcoming obstacles in a race, determination is key. Together, we can create a better world for all. When diverse groups of people come together, when volunteers plant trees, and when families enjoy a clean park, we see the tangible results of our collective efforts. Our shared conviction can lead to a brighter, more inclusive future for everyone.